Why is this transaction taking forever? Ah!
3 days later.
What am I going to do? Ah! Ah! What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘯𝘵𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So today, you know how sometimes you have a transaction and it takes forever. The transaction takes a long time. You don't know what to do. You don't know what you're getting yourself into, and it's stuck there forever and ever. And this is with MetaMask, when you try to trade one coin for another and it's stuck there forever. What are you going to do to fix this? You don't know, because it stays there forever and the transaction may never happen. And you're like, oh my God, that means I have to throw this entire wallet away, right? Well, don't worry, I have the fix for you. You do not have to throw your wallet away. Let me explain it to you. But before I would do that, I want to talk to my subscribers. I want to give some feedback. So I'm going to read some of the comments that you give me. I really appreciate you guys. I would not be here without you. The first comment that we have is actually not even a comment. It is a poll that I did because I was trying to ask you guys to make the letter L, just, try to give some interaction, some fun times with my viewers. And as you can see, you guys messed up, okay? It was supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like 14% and then 14% and then 14% and then whatever percent, all right? So this is kind of an L. I guess you guys tried, but not good enough. In fact, Banana Doug Gaming said that this is sad. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Do better. The next comment that we have is from Ike Miles TV. It says, hello, Benito. It doesn't make economic sense to mint Xen. Instead, wait 6 months from now and invest 200 and win? Question mark. And this is because I said that the Xen price bottom is going to happen in March, and I think it's going to happen. The all-time low price just happened a few hours ago. I think that all-time price is going to happen again in March, and it's going to be 6 zeros and a 3, I believe, but maybe it might not be around there. He says that we should wait 6 months from now and just buy it off of the market. And I don't think that's a good idea. In March, it's going to be worth 6 zeros and a 3, or somewhere around there, 6 zeros and a 6, 6 zeros and an 8. That's going to be the all-time low. 6 months from now is definitely going to be worth a lot more because Phoenix is coming out with the burns. Next token is coming out with the burns. There's going to be more Xen that is burned in the future because people are going to start buying more NFTs. So there's going to be a lot more Xen that is taken out from the market than that is what put into the market, at least compared to right now, 6 months from now. So right now, I would just say if you want to wait, if you want to buy, I would wait to buy like maybe a month from now or 2 months from now. But 6 months from now is a terrible time to buy because it's going to be worth way more than it is right now, okay? So the idea, what you need to do right now is to mint Xen right now. Do not buy Xen, mint Xen right now. Next comment we have is from 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵. He says, you got to stop pumping Pulse. And then I responded, I thought I was the person that hated Pulse. Now I'm the one that pumps Pulse. I like all coins that make sense, okay? So then I responded, listen, Pulsechain taking forever to come out is annoying. I agree, it's very, very annoying. But it will make a lot of us rich, hopefully, probably. It better, right? So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But like I predicted in my video up here, or I guess it's up here, 6 months after Pulsechain comes out, is going to do a 30x. A year after it comes out, is going to do a 130x from the day one release, okay? And then 2 years after it comes out, it's going to do a 330x. That's my prediction. I did a long explanation of why I think those prices are going to happen. So if you put $1,000 into the day one of when Pulsechain comes out, that means you are going to have, I don't know, $330,000 by, 2 years from now, the end of 2025, let's say, something like that. Okay, that's just an educated guess, of course. And then we have another poll that I have where I asked, which Pulsechain token are you most excited about? Okay, so I said fiat, Hedron, and liquid loans. And Ryan down here said he has a little joke. V4, that's what he's most excited about. Richard Hart said that V3 was going to come out within the next 3 weeks, right? But like usual, his predictions are almost always wrong. In fact, he says it himself that his time predictions are almost always wrong. He was wrong in the past. He's wrong right now, okay? So this guy said that V4 is going to come out before Pulsechain comes out. Anyways, Liquid Loans is a very powerful token. It's a very powerful ecosystem. Liquid Loans allows you to take out the power of Pulsechain without having to sell your Pulsechain tokens, okay? So you can take out the power of Pulsechain, use that to buy bills or whatever, buy Lambo, buy bills, buy some property, get the rewards if you want to from the property that you bought, the apartment property that you bought, get that rewards back. And then when you want to get your Pulsechain out, you pay back to the liquid loans protocol, okay? I have it in more details. Look up here. Here's a video where I do an explainer. And the last comment that I have is from the way out that says, where can I get Pulsechain? I responded, of course, it's not out yet. Rumors are that it will be out between May and July, okay? If he doesn't come out with it by July, that would just be, it'll be sad. It'll be sad. It'll be very sad if he doesn't come out with it. But, you know, that's very much a possibility. Okay, so what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about your transaction taking forever to come out, okay? So what I have right here is I want to send $4 worth of Ethereum to this wallet address right here, okay? So don't worry, I'm going to destroy this wallet after it comes out, so you can look it up if you want to. There's no money on there, okay? So I'm going to send it to this wallet address, right? So I'm going to click next, right? And then I'm going to edit it. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to purposefully make it very, very difficult for this transaction to happen, because I want to put out, I want to use the gas that's a very low amount. So instead of me doing a gas that's about $1.14, I'm going to make it much lower than that. Okay. How exactly can I do this? Okay. Normally this works if you just, want to wait in the future, if you don't mind waiting 24 hours for your transactions to happen, but I'm going to make it so low that in fact, the protocol itself is going to tell me that, oh, max priority fee is low for current network conditions. Unknown processing time. Okay. So this is going to take forever to happen, or it may not happen at all. Then I click save. Okay, so as you can see, I have a processing time with a gas fee of only 8 cents, even though it's asking me to pay for over $1. I click confirm. It's going to go forever and ever and ever. And in fact, it's never going to work. In fact, I can click this right here, view it on Block Explorer. The estimation is that it's going to take over 1 hour to process. And in fact, it's going to take like over a day. It's never going to happen. So now you're like, oh man, what can I do? You can't do any other transactions. You can try to speed it up, but speeding it up doesn't work all of the time. It only works like maybe 25%, 50% of the time. So you're stuck forever on this wallet. You're like, oh my God, what am I going to do with this wallet? I need to throw this wallet away. I'm going to lose all my seed phrases. I'm going to lose all the applications and stuff that's connected to it. Well, don't worry, I have a fix. What you need to do is you click on the profile picture right here. You go to settings, you go to advanced, and then you go to reset the account. Now, when you hear reset the account, you're like, oh my God, this is terrible. I'm going to lose every single thing that's in my wallet. Don't worry. Take a chill pill. Relax. Okay. Just read right here. It says resetting your account will clear your transaction history. This will not change the balances in your account or require you to re-enter your secret recovery phrase. Okay. So don't worry. Chill out. Nothing bad is going to happen. You click reset the account. It repeats the same warning again, or the good thing again. And then you click reset, okay? And then when you reset your account, you see here that you have no pending transactions, okay? Nothing is here that's negative, okay? So that transaction of sending the $4 to another account was blown away, okay? So you have nothing else to worry about. So I saved your life. You're welcome. And I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Let's get this money. Watch this video up there.